Hello internet, so I'm gonna be making vegan mayonnaise today. Why am I not just going to go out to the grocery store and buy some of this lovely just mayo or another alternative for vegan mayonnaise? It's because I am a hikikomori and would rather stay in the house watching My Hero Academia than go out into society. So we're going to be kind of vaguely following a recipe from LovingItVegan. I will try to link it down in the description box. The last time I made vegan mayonnaise was the Sarah's Vegan Kitchen recipe, which was not bad, it was not great, but I also don't want to use an entire block of tofu because I only used half the mayo. So, this recipe also did specify that it wanted all of the ingredients room temperature, so I had a 1/4 cup of unsweetened soy milk sitting out. Oh, and we're halving this recipe. I don't use this oil. This is just sun cocoa that I think one of my friends who was rooming with us left it. So this is not an oil that we use. The recipe calls for avocado oil, but says that you can use any, basically. Like, you're gonna get the best flavor with the avocado oil, but use what you have kind of deal. That was a 1/2 cup of the oil. What else do we need? A tablespoon of olive oil and a 1/2 tea of salt. We're halving this recipe, so that's going to be only a 1/2 tablespoon of olive oil. Why is there so many different oils? Here's the salt at least, and my coffee. Halving the recipe is a full tablespoon of white vinegar, so we're gonna add 3 teaspoons. 1, 2, 3. That's out of the way. 1/2 of the salt. It'll be fine. It's fine. It's fine. And a 1/2 tablespoon. I'm also kind of curious why they asked for maple syrup instead of like agave nectar, because that's what a lot of the hipster vegan recipes ask for. Yeah, this is already open. Cool, cool. It also says don't do this in a blender, put it in a bowl and do an immersion blender. So we're rebellious and we might be screwing ourselves over with this. Okay, so the instructions are all the ingredients to a bowl or measuring jug. Use an immersion blender, handheld, to blend it into mayonnaise. So I have no idea how long this is going to take. Interesting. Oh, that's actually pretty whipped. Filmed the whole process, so I should be able to get a timestamp from that. It does taste like mayo, kind of. Just got a rubber spatula so I could try to get everything down the sides to make sure everything's blended like all evenly. Also, I highly recommend for your spatula to have a pig on it. I'm gonna fluff it a little more. Is this like the consistency that mayo should be? I mean, it's definitely got a taste that's there. I'm just gonna transfer it to my jar now. I think one of the hilarious things about mayonnaise is that it's basically just all fat. That's it. You're just eating fat. Go to the keto people. They're gonna be like, fat is what keeps you feeling full. So that's what all the crazy vegans, they're starving because they don't have enough fat. And we're like, nah. We just don't have heart disease. Shots fired. Okay, so in my blender, since it has like this little pour spout, some of the oil mixture did get stuck in. Everything didn't get blended as thoroughly as it should have. Like, I can shake up the jar or some shit. And it's already in a mayonnaise jar because I reuse jars. And there you go, a condiment for a lunch that I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to pack yet. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to list any questions, comments, or concerns down below, especially if you have any idea how to get this in a box. New videos come out every Monday, sometimes on Thursdays, and like always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, you're not gonna work. Oh no! Ah!
wipe that up because I'm a clumsy motherfucker. Ah, shit.